Okay, so as you can see, I almost have all of the cockpit filled out with my photo etch here. Looks really sick and is really quite easy to put on as well. The only things I haven't put on are right here with the control panel. I did pop it out. That's how I drew those holes on there, just in pencil. But I've got it right here. I did pop it out and everything. And then my second kit is actually on the bottom there, and that's going to be this part right here. I just haven't taken the time to figure out how I'm going to light that front panel yet. And two, I just recently went out and I bought myself a Dremel, which is super awesome for sanding and stuff. Battery powered, interchangeable drill bits and stuff. But the bits I bought are a little too small for the interlocking key there, so I have to go buy another piece that'll hold these little drill bits here so that I can do my drilling. Once I do my drilling, I can apply my photo etch to the front. We can get that all taken care of and be ready to light. This sucker is pretty much all ready to roll here. So next couple pieces I have left on the photo etch, I've got my thrusters, as you can see here. Right there. I've got my my little pieces here. Those will go on the fuselage, on the engine on the outside on the fuselage. And then these pieces actually need to be bent and put on the outside frame of the actual kit. So if you're curious as to what a photo etch little panel looks like, that's what it looks like. I've also got my lighting kit. Now the lighting kit is from Voodoo Effects, and that comes with a bunch of cool nifty stuff as well. I've got 3 white LEDs for my thrusters, 1 green. I've got my board, I've got my 9-volt charger there, I've got my on-off switch. So it really comes complete with everything as well as instructions. Totally worth it, totally recommend, because this is going to look great once it's painted, all that raised texture. And I think it's going to be super easy to light too. So I'm going to work on the rest of the photo etch now, but that is the photo kit.